If you're suffering from tooth pain right now, this garlic clove might be your instant relief, but only if you use it correctly. I'm Dentist Tikka, and in this video I'll share 5 dentist-approved ways to kill tooth pain in seconds, plus one bonus trick dentists always recommend. Stick around, your relief is moments away. First, let's start with garlic, one of nature's most powerful painkillers. Garlic isn't just for cooking. It contains allicin, a potent compound with antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. When your tooth aches, bacteria and inflammation are typically the culprits, and garlic directly tackles both. Here's how. Peel a garlic clove, lightly crush it with the flat side of a spoon to activate its healing power, and place it directly against the painful area for 2 to 5 minutes. A mild burning sensation is normal. It means it's working. But remove it if discomfort is too intense. Relief usually hits quickly. And one bonus tip, add a pinch of salt to crushed garlic for enhanced antimicrobial action. Next up, the ice cube method, a surprisingly effective way to relieve pain fast. Instead of placing the ice externally, go straight to the source. Hold a small ice cube inside your mouth against the cheek or lip near the painful tooth for 5 to 10 minutes. Here's why this works. The cold temporarily numbs the nerves and reduces inflammation by slowing blood flow. Think of it as a temporarily shutting off pain signals. If direct contact is too sensitive, wrap the cube in a soft cloth or paper and try again. It's a quick fix while you prepare longer-lasting relief. Don't underestimate the power of a saltwater rinse. This age-old remedy effectively disinfects and reduces inflammation. Mix 1 teaspoon of salt into warm water and swish gently for at least 30 seconds, focusing on the painful area. Salt water not only kills harmful bacteria, but also reduces swelling and loosens any debris that might irritate your tooth. It's safe to repeat multiple times a day, especially after eating. And remember, stick to warm water, not hot, to soothe inflamed tissues comfortably. Painkillers are great, but only if you use them correctly. Ibuprofen is usually your best bet for tooth pain because it combats inflammation and pain effectively. Take 400 milligrams every 6 to 8 hours, preferably with food, but don't exceed the recommended dosage. Avoid placing aspirin directly on gums or teeth. It can cause chemical burns. Paracetamol can help if ibuprofen isn't an option for you, although it won't reduce inflammation. Remember, painkillers mask symptoms temporarily, but they don't fix underlying problems. Clove oil is a powerful secret weapon in natural dental care. It contains eugenol, a natural anesthetic known for its rapid numbing effects. To use clove oil, soak a small cotton ball or swab in it and gently apply it to the aching tooth for 5 to 10 minutes. You'll quickly feel a soothing numbness and significant pain relief. Use sparingly. It's potent and effective even in small amounts. Dentists use clove oil in professional procedures for good reason. It's powerful, natural, and reliable. Finally, here's the dentist recommended bonus: chlorhexidine mouthwash. This professional-grade antimicrobial rinse is highly effective at killing oral bacteria, reducing gum inflammation, swelling, and promoting rapid healing. Swish gently for about 60 seconds twice a day. Chlorhexidine doesn't sting or contain harsh chemicals, just provides targeted relief. However, avoid using it daily for longer than 2 weeks as it can stain teeth and tongue. Consult your dentist if your pain continues. Remember, these remedies provide fast but temporary relief. Persistent tooth pain usually indicates an underlying issue like a cavity, infection, or cracked tooth, which only your dentist can properly treat. Make sure to schedule an appointment as soon as possible. If this helped, please consider liking and subscribing.